Yo, what's up, my beautiful friends? It's another episode of Piano 101, and I'm excited. I'm sorry, I know I promised I would drop the video yesterday, but I'm here all the same. Alright, so let's get started. On to ready, go. Alright, so very quickly, this week we are going to be looking at technique, and I want you to look at the keyboard, not me. Okay? Focus on the keyboard. Let's go closer. Come closer. Come closer. So I gave assignments in the last class, but a lot of you did not give me feedback. You didn't do the assignments. I trust that this week you are going to. I trust this week you are going to do differently. All right. So let's get started very quickly. Speed of light. This week. So last week I when I was giving you notes, I explained something about technique. Okay. And then I said there are two aspects to technique. There is the fingering aspect, there's the hand placement aspect. This week we are going to be looking at the fingering aspect. Now, very, very quickly, the two fingers, put your hands together like this, put it together like this. Now, for the sake of accuracy or whatever, um, each fingers have been numbered to make it easier for you to know what to play, what fingers to use to play each keys. Each fingers have been numbered for you to know what fingers to use to play each key. So that once I just give you the number, I tell you the number for the major scale on the key of C is 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5. You would know exactly what fingers to use without me having to show you my fingers. So yes, very quickly, let me teach you this numbering. Put your two fingers together. This finger here, whether it's right or left hand, it's one. So this is one, this is one. You get, that's why I asked you to put your fingers together. This, so this is your thumb or your yes, your thumb. Then this your pointing finger or your index finger is two. Then your middle finger is going to be what? You said talk. Okay. Then your fourth finger or your ring finger is going to be what? Alright. Then if that is four, then your little finger or your pinky is going to be. You thought I won't know. You didn't talk. Alright, so but it's going to be five. So very quickly, I want you to get a diagram just like this. I hope your notes are up to date though. Let me make sure you can see it. This is the diagram. So just draw hand and number it basically. That's all. I just need you to draw the hand and number it. Alright. So there you got it. That's all the notes taking we are doing for today's class. Maybe. Not really. Okay, so but let's look at the C major scale. Your you have been hearing me say major scale, major scale, major scale. What is major scale? Major scale is what you call do re mi. Is that correct? Major scale is what you call do re mi. So the C major scale, and I told you how to identify the key of C. So the C major scale, just pick any key of C and just play it up to the next C. Play backwards. Okay, so but there's a way we do it. There's a way we do it. I told you that the fingering is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's do it like that. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know you may not be able to hear the sound over the rain, but just concentrate. Then to play backwards, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. You get. That's it. Now, take note that between the first three and the second one, between the first time we use, I won't be calling this finger middle finger again. I'll be calling it three. So get used to these numbers. Whenever I say three, know that I'm talking about middle finger. Whenever I say one, know I'm talking about index finger. Sorry, thumb. No, I'm talking about thumb. Is that clear? So just get used to it. It will take you some time. You can watch the video twice if you have to. So between the first time you touch three, you use this three twice. But between the first time you used three and the second time you used one, there was what we call a cross under or a thumb tuck as in tucking your shirt. So this how it is. You just take this one forward a little, carry this finger under it. So you see, I took this one forward to create space for this one to pass. Shows it. This finger is very flexible. It can come all the way out of this side. See. So we want to leverage it. You get. So you take it, cross it under, shake it. Then when we're playing it backwards, between the first one and the second theory, there is what we call a crossover. You carry this your middle finger, carry it over. This one too is very flexible, although it's this one that is really bending sharp. We just kept this one here, move it like this, shake it. So but this one on is or the other hand just like made effort to cross over. That's it. Then for the left hand, so right, the fingering for the major scale for the right hand on the key of C is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the backward motion 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Then for the left hand, it's going to be 1, 2, 3. Sorry. It's going to be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. That's 3, 2, 1 again. So it's 5 for the left hand finger for the C major scale is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we have a crossover 3, 2, 1. Then play backwards 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me play so you can hear it. You didn't hear it. Let me make you hear it. 5, 9, 39, 37. Okay. You hear it now. Nice one. That's great. So that's the speed you can get from fingering. You will not have gotten that speed back. So fingering gives you speed. It also makes it like it makes it easy. It makes it easy to play what you're playing. It makes your playing smooth and it's overall fingering it prevents all these aches and like the pains of you bending your finger too much or having to injure yourself. It prevents you from injuring yourself. That's what proper fingering does. That's why I would always recommend my students to learn proper fingering. All right, so we're already done with this class. What you just do for me, your assignments now, you are going to do fingering exercise, finger exercise, like finger strengthening exercise. Just place your hands on any flat surface. You get any flat surface like this. Pull the fingers like this every day, as often as you can, as many times as you remember. You get. Then this is the other fingering exercise. Stretch out your You may know of this one. You may know of this one. This is it. You just stretch out your hands, like stretch out your fingers tight, then drop each finger one by one. Drop the next one, drop the next one. As you are dropping the other one, be bringing up the previous one. Chase it. So it's just as if you are kind of twisting, or it's like kind of a wave motion. If you are doing it properly, you will be feeling the tension here. So this one too. You can also like do this stuff like cracking down your knuckles. So yeah, you are going to be doing a lot of exercises. Then for stiff wrist, you know this one like 40 barrel. Just swing your wrist like this. It frees up. Swing it very very well as if your stitcher flog you. So then the other exercise for wrist is like you wind your wrist around. That's it. So you are going to be doing a lot of fingering exercises. Then on flat surfaces, you are going to be playing this. Exactly what you play there. You get. Okay, so yes. Now, mind you, the major scale formula can also be used to get the major scale on the key of C sharp or any other key for that matter. A, for instance, the one I was playing. But the fingerings are different, and I'm going to do another video for to show you. I don't want your head to be full today. So I told you today's video was going to be short. We have already reached the end of today's class. The only thing I feel like doing maybe one or two motivations. Okay, let me give you motivation so that you can study well. Look at me. That's in this one. The reason why the reason why I need you guys to take this playing seriously is apart from the opportunity to serve God with it, you can use it as a means of earning. Yes, yes. There was a time when I was in school and almost all students pass through that phase where uh, funds or my funds can't store. So that period, I just went to a church. I just went to a church and went to be playing for them while they were paying me. And it went a long way. It didn't meet on like this, but it went a long way. There was also another time a friend of mine asked me, he said, Chief, I need one of my friends is in need of a pianist and or whatnot. And then I was like, okay, let me step in and help because that was how he called me. And then I went there and I just played and later the keyboardist even came and the keyboardist couldn't even go past me last. So as I was going, they asked me, please let me send you small transfer. I said, no problem. Because that all my mind was that I went to help a friend. I went to step in for some the keyboardist that was absent to get. And then I wasn't really expecting anything. But the lady just asked me, please let me have your account details so that I will send you small transport. Please just help us manage it. I was like, no issues, no issues. Then she now pressed her phone and up. She was like, done. And then she left. I left rather. But when I just went to go and check, I wanted to check my I don't know what took me to my bank app, Sha. And I saw that the transport that they sent me was 10K. I said, no, 10K is not big to you, but to me 10K is a bit big. I just like I wasn't expecting it, so that's why I appreciated it. 10K true. So I know that 10K will not solve all your problems, but 10K will go a long way for you, wouldn't it? I'm not saying you should make this the reasons why you decide to learn, but I'm just telling you, I'm just giving you part of the benefits. Yes, anything I need have to tell you in order for you to take your learning seriously. Okay, so if you have not done the assignments of last class, please go back and do the assignments. Honestly, I feel a bit shy in front of camera. It's kind of awkward. It's my first time. All right, guys, peace. See you later. See you on day 4. See you in the next class.